Top 5 electric pressure washers. Links to all products are in the description below. 1. Joe SPX3000 Electric Pressure Washer. The Joe SPX3000 is a versatile and reliable electric pressure washer that is commonly used for mobile detailing. It offers a maximum pressure of 2,030 pounds per square inch, which is suitable for various cleaning tasks. It comes with multiple nozzles, a detergent tank, and a 20-foot high-pressure hose. 2. Karcher K5 Premium Electric Power Pressure Washer. The Karcher K5 Premium is a powerful electric pressure washer that provides excellent cleaning performance for mobile detailing. It offers a maximum pressure of 2,000 pounds per square inch and comes with a range of attachments and features, including a built-in detergent tank and a long hose for better reach. 3. Our Blue Clean R383 Electric Pressure Washer. The Our Blue Clean R383 is a compact and portable electric pressure washer that is popular among mobile detailers. It delivers a maximum pressure of 1,900 pounds per square inch and features a durable axial cam pump, a 14-amp motor, and a 20-foot high-pressure hose. It also includes a detergent applicator for easier cleaning. 4. Greenworks GPW1501 Electric Pressure Washer. The Greenworks GPW1501 is a lightweight and compact electric pressure washer suitable for mobile detailing. It offers a maximum pressure of 1,500 pounds per square inch, making it ideal for light to medium-duty cleaning tasks. It comes with a 13-amp motor, a 20-foot high-pressure hose, and a soap applicator for efficient cleaning. 5. Ryobi RY141900 Electric Pressure Washer. The Ryobi RY141900 is a high-powered electric pressure washer that is well suited for mobile detailing. With a maximum pressure of 2,000 pounds per square inch, it provides robust cleaning performance. It features a durable brushless motor, a 25-foot high-pressure hose, and onboard detergent storage, making it convenient for on-the-go detailing. Links to all products are in the description below. Subscribe to our channel for more car care and detailing content. Like and share this video if you found this information useful.